How to fix failed to install BattlEye Service on Rainbow Six Siege. So there's actually two ways on doing this. And by the way, the resolution that I'm gonna be providing you is gonna be the most popular one and the very generic process. So open up your Steam if you're playing Rainbow Six Siege via Steam. Just simply head into your library, and then you can go ahead and right click on your Rainbow Six Siege game, and then just simply go into the main folder. Now, the other thing that you can do is you can manually go into File Manager, go into this PC, local disk, program files, and then locate your Steam folder. If it's not here, then you can try the program files 86, Steam, and then go into Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six Siege, and you will be seeing BattlEye folder. Now this is where you can uninstall BattlEye Service. Simply uninstall it, and for you to be able to reinstall it, go back into your Steam client, go to your Rainbow Six Siege, right click on it, go to Properties, Installed Files, and then choose on Verify Integrity of Game Files, and it will automatically be reinstalled. And that's it. That's how you fix failed to install BattlEye Service on Rainbow Six Siege.